How to remove someone from blocked list on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove someone from blocked list on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here just click this one here, blocking. And if you want to remove them, just click here, unblock, and unblock. And now, as you see, that's how to remove someone from blocked list on Facebook Lite. And now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.